Hi guys, welcome back to one more video on FFP build series. In our previous videos, we have made a complete gaming rig which has powerful steering wheel, analog pedals, handbrake, paddle shifters and head shifter. If you have missed those videos, I'll leave the tutorial links in the description box. You can check out from there. Usually, while playing games, we use the button from the keyboard to start and stop the engine. So in this video, I'll be adding a ignition key switch for the same in order to give a realistic feel. So this is the ignition switch which I have purchased from Amazon for 250 rupees. I'll also leave the product link in the description box. It comes with two keys. So first on, and the second is for ignition, which has a spring mechanism. So here I'll only use the second switch connector which has a spring. So now we have to mount this on our gaming rig. I'll be fixing it on the left corner here with the help of L-shaped plastic piece. Additionally, I have added this red LED bulb which turns on from 5V Arduino supply. I'll use the same bolt nut to mount this unit. Moving on to the connections, we have to consider this ignition key as a 2-pin push button. So we have two terminals. I'm referring to the EMC schematic diagram, particularly the button matrix part. Among the 16 buttons, switch 1 and 2 I have already used for paddle shifters. Switch 5 to 11 is used for head shifter. The switch 3 is unused, so I'll connect my ignition key switch to this one. So one terminal will go to digital pin 7 and other terminal to digital pin 14. I'm done with the connections. We'll give it a try on some of the games. That's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section below. For the next video, we are working on the GMX adapter to use this wheel on Forza Horizon. Stay tuned for that video. For updates, you can subscribe and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for watching. We'll be back in the next one.